Hey Nikki, I'd be doing somersaults and cartwheels, but a little icy. We got like a crap ton of snow this morning, or well overnight, and we weren't expecting it. Like, look, this is what we've piled up from our just from our driveway here. It's been pretty crazy, Alberta for you, right? If you don't like the weather, it'll change in 10 minutes. So, like, literally, it was minus 14 this morning. It's almost plus 2 now. Okay, so this is the Jeep Grand Cherokee that you're looking at. Like I said, everything's fixed up on the windshield, but you get the Lexane headlights, you get the fog lights, you get the block heater, you get this nice Jeep Grand Cherokee as well. It's absolutely beautiful. Here, come on in. So it's a 3.6 liter V6. This is the Pentastar engine. It's an award-winning engine. They put it in all their vehicles nowadays, but for like the past, I think it's 6 years now, they've won like, they've been the top 10 engines awarded out. So you get everything important's marked in yellow. That's a nice thing about Dodge. So you got the coolant right here, oil dipstick, window washer fluid. And the nice thing is it's up front, so you don't have to lean over. You don't have to get your nice Columbia jacket like myself, dirty. And if you come around, you see you got the nice all-season tires right there. They're all terrains and the aluminum alloys. Your mirrors break away both ways, so you're never gonna have to, if you're in that tight spot, you can always fold them in, but they're also heated as well. You got the passive entry, so that means that you can lock your doors and then pull on the handle and it unlocks your doors. Well, apparently it's only gonna unlock this. You can change the settings on the inside, but here, I'll unlock them. And you can get into the back seat. So once you're in the back seat, there's a little, this looks like a glove with a scraper in it. I don't know who left that in there, but you can fold down your seats and you can get to all the storage areas. But you got a 3-prong plug-in in the back as well, so if you forget to make breakfast and you're late for work, plug it in, you put in the toaster, and you're good to go. Don't actually do that, it'll fry the circuitry, but that's my favorite joke. So once you get to the back, you got your tire, you got little storages beside your spare tire. It is a 4x4, it uses the legendary Jeep 4x4 system. But I mean, look at it back here. You could definitely fit a couple bodies in here if you needed to. Take a nap if you wanted to, and you got a flashlight just right there. And another nice thing is got sensors, backup camera, and the tow hitch ready to go. I'm gonna get my cameraman into the back. Alright, so another nice thing is it's push button start. So all you gotta do is hop in, put your foot on the brake, and start it up. It's got a nice sound system, as you can hear. It's got the sunroof up top, and the leather farts every time I move it. I swear it's the leather. You got dual climate control, and then heated seats, which is, especially in this weather, a must. But like I said, the backup camera and the sensors. So it's beeping at me, but you got the camera right there. You got the navigation just right there, easy to get to. And then all your volume controls and radio controls on the back of the steering wheel, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. You got Bluetooth, you got voice recognition, your cruise control, a nice handy dandy dash just right here. Let me know what you think. Give me a call, 780-919-3997 is my personal cell phone, and I want to figure something out for you. I'm also going to do a actually extended test drive video, and hopefully I can show you that we're selling a quality car here and earn your business on it. Thanks.